First Warning Weather with Jim Spencer.
Well, this is what I was talking about earlier. The sunsets can really be beautiful when they come in with a cold front. Cold front stirs up a lot of dust and other particulate matter in the air and can really color the sky. Beautiful tonight, as photographed by our photojournalist Ben Freiberg, who just happened to catch that while he was down around Lamar and Cesar Chavez. Thank you, Ben, for shooting that. Wonderful. I showed you the bats earlier. I'm not sure you were seeing the same display I was seeing, so in case you missed it, there they are. It looks like smoke coming out of a fire, doesn't it? But these are all bats coming out of Round Rock and out of Congress Street Bridge and from there around Marble Falls. And as soon as they take off tonight, boy, they catch that north wind behind that cold front that moved through. Hadn't provided us much cooling yet, but I think you'll notice it certainly by morning and tomorrow. It won't be 96 degrees. It won't even be 90 degrees tomorrow. Unfortunately, the front not bringing rainfall today. I mean, this unusually dry start to May is really something, and we're looking out through mid-May right now, and we've got some small rain chances in there next week, but we're not real optimistic even about that. The lakes, they're in good shape as we head into the weekend. Lake Buchanan's 3 feet below its average May level, still well below the full level. Lake Travis is almost exactly full, down just a little bit here recently. Water temperature at 71 degrees. There's that old Viper radar again. Let's check some temperatures around the region right now. We'll begin out here in the hill country. The front dropping San Sab at 72, 73 in Llano. I bet that feels good. A little warmer there in Marble Falls at 77. Here around the metro area, we're still a little closer to 80, upper 70s to right around 80 degrees, 82 down in San Marcos and in our eastern counties right now, 70s in Milam County, still low 80s down in Fayette County and in Caldwell County where that front's just now getting through. Well, by sunrise in the morning, about 65 in Austin, noon 75. Look at this high tomorrow, 82, 14 degrees cooler than we were today. Still warm, still a beautiful day for whatever you have planned, but not hot. That's a good thing. 79 at Mabry, and skies are cloudy right now. It's 81 and mostly cloudy at ABIA. We've got a pretty good north-northeasterly wind behind that front. In fact, a 21-mile-per-hour wind right now at ABIA. Mold high today, pecan and grass low. Allergy forecast for Saturday. Mold could come down just a little bit, but probably still borderline into that high category. Here's your cooler weather, 63 in Abilene, 50 in Amarillo, but very warm from Austin on down to the coast. This front's pretty good when it's going to move on down to the coast, but then return up here on Sunday, I'm afraid. Big storm system up here over the Great Lakes sending the front our way, but that thing is so far away it couldn't even generate a rain shower. You know, if you get a front in May and you don't get any rain out of it, that means high pressure is real strong, and that's the situation right now. It extends from Mexico up into Texas, but we'll shift east next week. Big trough develops out to the west, but here's your main low again, moving really far to the north of us, and so it may or may not bring us rain next week. Tomorrow, kind of a mix of clouds and sunshine, and then on Sunday, that warm front's going to return northward and could generate a rain shower, about a 20% chance is all on Sunday. Tonight, lows fall back into the low 60s to mid-60s, maybe a few 50s in the hill country if you're lucky in the morning, and then tomorrow afternoon, that's more like it. Some upper 70s and low 80s. In Austin tonight, cloudy, 65, northeast wind at 10 to 15. Let's go 82 tomorrow, still a northeast breeze, a mix of clouds and sun. 7-day forecast. On Sunday, that 20% chance of rain. Warm front comes through. We warm back up to the mid-80s. And I'm afraid by Monday, we're back to this unusual heat. About 92 or 93 Monday, Tuesday. 90 Wednesday, Thursday. A slight chance of showers or thunderstorms we're talking about toward the end of next week.